A hard drive speeds up from rest to 4200 RPM in 3.5 seconds. How many rotations does it make doing this? All right, this is a good one here, right? Let's do the party line first. Party line is stick to radians, okay? So the initial from rest, and rest is 0, final velocity is 4200. And then I'm going to go times 2 pi divided by 60, right, to get radians per second. So 4200 times 2 times pi divided by 60, 439.82. Okay, and then 3.5 seconds. And then we want S, so we would use no A, correct? Aha, okay, I've got it now. So the no A is S is U plus V over 2 times T, right? So S is equal to 0 plus 439.82 over 2 times 3.5. Okay, so take the number that's on my calculator, divide by 2, multiply by 3.5. I mean, it's 769.69 radians. Now, of course, it says how many rotations does it go. So now I've got to convert that, right? So divide by 2 pi. So divide by parentheses 2 pi, right parenthesis, 122.5. Now at this point on my calculator, I didn't round. I always used the previous answer. I used this unrounded. I took this number unrounded, divided by 2 pi, and it came out spot on 122.5 rotations. Okay, that's fine if you're happy doing that, right? That's going to be just great. I'm going to show you though, since this doesn't involve acceleration at all, we're okay. We can actually use RPMs, okay? So totally stop right now if you understand this and you really don't care about RPMs. But if you're a little bit curious why it came out even to 122.5, stay on the line, okay? All right, so let's do this now with RPMs. Initial 0, final is 4200. And the time is 3.5 seconds, but we've got minutes there, so we've got to go 3.5 over 60, and that's how many minutes we've got, right? Well, now we're all set, right? We can find the displacement. S is U plus V over 2 times T. Now, just don't do this with acceleration. I'm just saying that's complicated. Okay, so we've got 0 plus 4200 over 2 times 3.5 over 60. So 4200 divided by 2 times 3.5 divided by 60. And indeed, that comes out to 122.5 rotations. Now, the only wonky thing about this is the idea of this being your time, 3.5 over 60. If you understand that, that's an easier way to do it. We don't even have to use pi. In the previous example, when I did this, I multiplied by 2 pi and then I had to divide by it. Such a lot of work.